Hi, Elizabeth Meaders thanks you for looking at part 2 of my Marcus Garvey collection because it's so enormously rare and important. Now I also have Marcus Garvey's dues card, and I have a medal that Marcus Garvey issued, but he only issued it to the creme de la creme, and nobody in the world seems to have a copy of this medal, which reads Negro Patriot 1925, and it indicates why the person was given this. This is given to people who do service for the race, people who are in the service of their race, and therefore they are a Negro patriot and a supporter of the Black Cross line. Tremendously rare and important. I also have some of Marcus Garvey's stock, and he sold stock under two banners, the Black Star line, and he sold some under the heading of the Black Cross line. And he's thanking someone for supporting the Black Cross line in this letter. And in addition to these letters, I have a newspaper clipping collection of Marcus Garvey, because he had a tremendously successful, what we would call, publication, because he was a printer. And so some of the black newspapers that he put out, I tried to preserve some of the pages where he has a particularly important message to black people, where he's giving them direction, because this is what he was and what we believe. This one is tremendously important because he spells out the belief of his whole movement. And remember that he was a printer, so he got his message out and he mobilized the people. So this is part of his newspaper, the Negro World. And as you can see, I also have some fairly contemporary interpretations of this great man in the form of posters and in the form of needlecraft over to the left, and a little what we would call a textile poster of Marcus Garvey. And then I have a rare copy for a magazine put out by the Caribbean community called Class. Marcus Garvey is one of the many enormous African American patriots. I have down here a huge, very heavy bronze plaque in tribute to Marcus Garvey, and it says, "Up, you mighty race. You can accomplish what you will, Africa for Africans, at home and abroad." And it also pays tribute to Malcolm X. And Malcolm X is quoted as saying, "Our objective is complete freedom, complete justice, complete equality by any means necessary." Now, these two have a lot in common, and I know that you have the same respect for both of them that I have, so I thank you for looking at them.